Importance of education stressed on the occasion of International Literacy Day. An alleged rapist was thrashed by women folk when produced before the court. And Naga Pista Court has brought sharp divisions within Nagas. Hello and welcome. You're watching Impact Primetime News. I'm Butchi Malambam with the top stories. Social Welfare and Corporation Minister A.K. Mirabai today stressed upon the need and importance of education on the occasion of International Literacy Day. Asserting that without education we cannot match up India's progressive world, Minister Mirabai said it is the responsibility of every parent to give quality education to their children as they are the real assets. The minister made the statement on the sidelines of International Literacy Day function held at Maharaja Chandrakirti Auditorium Palace Compound, jointly organized by Adult Education and State Literacy Mission Authority.
Literacy ga empowerment ga tunalba chatlaba matam adudaida aikoi lepak asidaida lai raba amadi aikoi na phangi hariba pandam empowerment ai che phangbang ngamgani ngasigi asigumlaba palam thoramasiga iroina na aikoi kudingmak nungai yaipaba tekta kaidaba nada yektaba sena khaidaba laitaba lamdam mama oiba ngamba ishorna pina Vishnu.
As part of the function, Shaksar Bharat 2015 award was conferred to Khangabok Part 2 Pradhan N. Aruna. Purum Kulen Adult Education Center and the Senapati district was awarded Best Model Adult Education of State. Best Adult Education Center award was given to Tamenglong, Chandel, Thoubal and Senapati. Speaking at the function, Agriculture and Fisheries Minister Abdul Nasir said there is a close relationship between education and human beings, and through education, we can bridge the gap between different communities.
Lariki maguldi, ekoina government ki service towa, ekoi dharma ki dahai se compulsory hari bapoche, isana isagi atumba tu khamjanama ki damagi education si darkar le bra na khalle, isana isabu atumba fire lotaba ngamnanaba thaksi khasi ki isana khangjaba ngamnanaba ki damak education si hena maru oiba sugumba program si hena maru oibre na lotaraga district punamak sidagi pullaga mi lising manga tara pullaga sugumba maru oiba numita se Manipur ki praja punamak te message pina na bai koi punamak ponamina si.
All Manipur Physiotherapist Association in a press note said the association observed the World Physiotherapy Day today. The association said AMPA members observed the day by offering free treatment at various private clinics. Editor Freedom Delhi R.K. Ranendrajit has stressed the need to find out those who are trying to disintegrate the unity and integrity of Manipur. He also called for united stands to face such challenges. Speaking at the 15th Foundation Day celebration of Amkil today at Lamyan Basanglen, Ranendrajit said Manipur is passing through a critical period as some sections of the people are trying to drive a wedge between various ethnic communities, even though we have been residing for centuries amicably. He urged the women folk to play a constructive role to create permanent peace and unity amongst all ethnic communities. UCM President Elangbam Johnson said the three bills passed by the State Assembly on 31st August do not contain anything which might harm and affect the interest of the Hill people. Describing the Churachandpur incident as very unfortunate, he said time has come to find out a common solution on the matter. A 2-minute silence was also observed to pay respect to late Sapam Robin Hood.
wakal mun kanda minera ka da koi madu khongyam madu da hogi bandu da emasing da khari khulai pai project machi la kutum singa launa ningen mana.
All Manipur Arts and Culture Students Union in a press note condemned Bihar MP Pappu Yadav and his supporters for checking Manipuri passengers in trains at various stations in Bihar. The union appealed the state government to take immediate steps regarding the matter. The union urged people from Bihar and leader of Hindustan Samaj Manipur, Kishan Prasad to hold talks with Pappu Yadav and bring an amicable solution. Technopal Village Authority and KSO Technopal Block staged a sit-in at S Corner, Technopal against the 3 bills passed in the Manipur State Assembly on August 31st. Students of the nearby schools participated in the protest and a 3-minute silence was also observed for those killed in the agitation at Churachandpur. A team of UPF led by President Oinam Bikramjit today visited those who injured in the Churachandpur and hospitalized at Christian Hospital Julalan and extended financial help to the helpline unit opened in the hospital. UPF in a press release wished for the speedy recovery of them. All India Students Federation Manipur State Council in association with All India Youth Federation will observe 119th Irabot Day. Speaking to media at the office of AISF, Irabot Bhavan Complex Secretariat member AISF Manipur State Council T.H. Rameshwar said AISF AIYF is in collaboration with Jenims Blood Bank will organize a blood donation camp at Irabot Memorial Hall, Chalo on September 21 and AISF Manipur State Council, AISF Ningthau Khong Unit, Irabot Celebration Committee, Ningthau Khong and Lions Club Ningthau Khong will jointly organize a March Past competition on September 27. Maintaining that a state-level March Past competition will also be organized on September 30 in connection with Irabot Day, Rameshwar said AISF and AIYF appealed schools and club organizations to take part in the competition. AIYF State President C.A. Sarat said AIYF will organize a competition for lyrics based on Irabot on September 24 and state-level song competition on September 27. D.H. Rameshwar also drew the attention of the government to check the rising prices of essential commodities.
Irabot Celebration Committee amadi All India Student Federation Manipur State Council ga loinana state level gi oiba mass pass competition ama khoi iboy ama sumang lila sangnen konung mamang da pangthokani pangthokodoriba competition asida khoi category 6 na saruk yagani competition sida saruk yaning masingna September gi tarik 28 phawgi manungda oi form lowba amadi bisan bagi aroiba matam oigani petrol liter lupa chani hengkalakpagi adaidi pochai singde khoi gi loning ba karwa wala singna lowba haitaren sarkar gi side gi mieng changbiu Lunana Masigayumba, Sangbida Targa, the Akhoi, Manipur State Council, Pulla Khoi Satra Sing Civil Organization, Singa Pulla Hu Sangan Bayakung Sangan Abadmina Tamzari.
Manipur People's Party in a press note today drew the attention of Manipur government to make all possible efforts to avail the essential commodities to the general public which are already in stock at fair price shops. MPP appealed to the state government to airlift essential commodities if necessary. District Governor of Lions Club of International Association of Lions Clubs of Northeast, Dr. Sunil Kant Dhar, has inspected the activities of Lions Club of Thobal. Speaking on his visit function held at Khetri Sanglen, Dr. Sunil expressed happiness on the good works rendered for the people of Thobal district and for helping the blind students of Hekakpopi. Moreover, Lions Club of Thobal also conducted tests to find out whether the blind students can regain their sight once again. Among them, 3 blind students were identified and will conduct further tests at Guwahati in an effort to regain their eyesight. Lions Club of Imphal Valley yesterday felicitated its new members at Imphal Hotel located at North AOC. Altogether, 36 male and female new members were felicitated at the function. Lions MGF Dr. Sunil Kant Dhar graced the function as chief guest. Manipur University Tribal Students Union has appealed to the authorities of MU to postpone the entrance examinations of various departments in MU scheduled on September 11 in view of the prevailing condition of Manipur. All as pension for IMC Ward number 11 and 12 under Kaisamthong Assembly Constituency was distributed today at Community Hall Kaisamthong Hodam Lairak Club. The pension amount was made available under the guidance of Kaisamthong MLA L. Ibomcha and supervised by Councillor Ward Number 11 PH Memcha Tombe. All Manipur Police Constable 2013 Bets Male in a press note today has appealed to the state government to declare the result of written test for recruitment of police constable, which was held on 2013 on or before September 15, 2015. They also warned the government that the government will be held responsible for untoward incident if their demands are not met in time. A 60-year-old alleged rapist of a 9-year-old minor was thrashed by womenfolk when he was produced before the court today. Session Judge Imphal East A. Guneshwar Sharma has directed the alleged rapist, who is from Mayang Imphal, to judicial remand till 22nd of this month. After producing in the court, he was brought to the van under tight security. However, the womenfolk overpowered the security and pulled him down from the van and thrashed him. Family of Ahibam Thoiba, alleged accused in the Athokpam Bina murder case, refuted the charges leveled against Thoiba. Clarifying at the Manipur Press Club today, the family of Ahibam Thoiba said the news report in print and electronic media is false. The media reported on 6th of this month that 21-year-old Ahibam Thoiba from Sugnu Thana Lekai murdered Athokpam Bina, daughter of Athokpam Biren of Sero Makhalekai. Bina's body was found near Sero Nganthau Lairembi. Athokpam Bina and alleged accused Ahibam Thoiba knew each other since 2012. The family said Ahibam Thoiba never threatened Bina. Demanding strict punishment against those who assaulted Arambam Anil Kumar of Sagolban Mainolairak, a sit-in was today staged at Sagolban Mainolairak Machin by Young Pillars Union. Placards condemning assault on Anil Kumar and punishment to those persons were also used in the protest. According to Anil Kumar, some miscreants in highly inebriated mode threw stone to his car and assaulted him on 5th September when he was on his way to farmhouse located at Lamdeng. He fired from his licensed gun to escape from the situation. However, he was assaulted by a mob and even burnt his farmhouse and vehicle. He said he has no personal enmity with anyone. He urged the authority concerned to take up strict action against those persons who assaulted him without any reason. President of Young Pillar Union K.H. Olympic said if the authority failed to take up appropriate action against those persons, various forms of agitation will be launched along with all the clubs along the National Highway number 37.
Anil Kumar Maral Levinate, Nasi Vokaleka, Isile Pada, Akoinakasi Punsi, Wali Mate Kudimada Amuda from Lake Gibanate, Magi Nupi Purpa, women harassment, Maraleva missing to Putopio, Putopta Tarabadi, Highway, Nation Highway 37 Nasawi, Apunba, Kalamna, Lokalakba, Kongtang, Kudima Ase, Masigi died at the Highway Maraleva missing Aduna Pugadoni.
JC on the brutal killing of Ibem Hall will cease work on September 10, urging the authority to find out the killers. A public meeting will also be held at Thambalnu Market to decide future course of action if the authority fails to produce the killers. The peace deal between NSC and IM and Government of India has brought out in the open the sharp divisions among various Naga tribes. The Nagas of Nagaland felt left out of the peace process as Tungaleng Muiva took center stage. Muiva is a Tangkhul Naga from Ukhrul district of Manipur. When NSC and IM organized a consultative meeting with Naga civil society groups at Dimapur in Nagaland last month, the Sumi Hoho, which represent Sema Naga tribe, refused to be a part of it. The other Naga rebel faction, NSCN Kolekitovi, said the Nagas of Nagaland, be it land or people, cannot be sacrificed to fulfill the political aspirations and desires of Nagas living in the states of Manipur, Assam or Arunachal Pradesh. The very nature of the deal was open to debate. Bhagat Oinam, Professor, School of Social Sciences, Jawaharlal Nehru University, said after 18 years of dialogue, it's quite strange that they have only come to a framework. Muiva declared Naga sovereignty had not been sacrificed. Instead, he said there would be a concept of shared sovereignty. Naga Ho has stood firm on the demand for physical integration of all Naga inhabited areas of the Northeast. Ho has urged R.N. Ravi that integration is non-negotiable and they will not accept social or cultural integration. Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and Manipur chief ministers are opposing the integration of Naga inhabited areas. Now in sports, Imphal East District trounced District Sports Association Kakching by 10-0 in the 15th Under-18 Inter-District Junior Girls Football League Tournament. Kasmina scored 5 goals, W. Ranjibala scored 3 goals, PH Sanathokpi and H. Ranjita 1 goal each in the match. The tournament is organized by All Manipur Football Association at Kumanlam Park Artificial Turf Ground. Chikal Sajing bet Thau Thangaiban by 10 in the 22nd L. Sangita Devi Memorial First Division Football League today, while the match between CRPF Langjing and Philo PHLYO Thangaiban ended in goalless draw. The tournament is organized by Imphal West District Football Association at Malom Tera Kha Ground. Wafa Wangoi will clash with HNSC Haurebi in the first match, whereas KKYDA Awangjiri will take on CRPF Langjing in the second match on the 10th of this month. ABA Khetrigao and Nipso KB won the respective matches in the Maharaj Kumar Ghanendrajit Memorial Super Division Football League Tournament today. ABA Khetrigao beat Citizen Club Soibam Laikai 3-2 with a hat-trick by Mohammad Siraz. Nipso KB defeated ESU Wangkai by 3-2 in another match of the tournament organized by Imphal East District Football Association at Social Workers Congress Kongman. PYA Kairang will take on SAK Yumnam Kunau, while KIYC Khetri Iril Mapal will play YOSC Kurai tomorrow. All Manipur Football Association AMFA in a press release said 10th Manipur State League, the most prestigious league tournament of the state, will begin tomorrow at Mapal Kangjibong. Kumukcham Ingocha Singh Memorial Trust is the sponsor of the tournament. That's all we have for the time being, but before we wrap up, the headlines once again. Importance of education stressed on the occasion of International Literacy Day. An alleged rapist was thrashed by women folk when produced before the court. And Naga Pisa Court has brought sharp divisions within Nagas.